Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it in cooking and medicine for centuries. Many people claim that it can alleviate various health ailments, but you may be wondering what the research is saying. Apple cider vinegar has a variety of health-promoting properties, including antibacterial and antioxidant benefits. Here are the 6 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made in a 2-step process. First, manufacturers expose crushed apples to yeast to ferment the sugars and turn them into alcohol. Then, by adding bacteria, the alcohol is further fermented and turned into acetic acid, the main active ingredient in vinegar. 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Acetic acid, the main ingredient in vinegar, can kill harmful bacteria or prevent them from growing. It has a history of being used as a disinfectant and natural preservative. People have traditionally used vinegar to clean and disinfect to treat nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. One of the most compelling uses of vinegar is the treatment of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar due to insulin resistance, or inability to produce insulin. The most effective and healthy way to regulate blood sugar is to avoid refined carbs and sugar, but apple cider vinegar also has positive effects. 4. May aid weight loss. Studies show that vinegar increases satiety and helps reduce calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss. Some human studies show that vinegar can increase the feeling of fullness, which can lead to fewer calories that result in weight loss. 5. Improved digestion. Many people take apple cider vinegar before protein-heavy meals to improve digestion. The theory is that apple cider vinegar increases the acidity of your stomach, which helps your body create more pepsin, the enzyme that breaks down protein. 6. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a popular remedy for skin conditions such as dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally weakly acidic. Topical application of apple cider vinegar can help rebalance the skin's natural pH and improve the protective skin barrier. A common dosage for apple cider vinegar ranges from 1 teaspoon to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 30 milliliters, per day, either used in cooking or mixed in a glass of water. I hope this video could help you give some information about apple cider vinegar benefits. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel to receive videos about health. Thanks for watching.